The Yankee Fork is a large tributary to the Salmon River in central Idaho. Between 1940 and 1952, nearly 6 miles of the Yankee Fork was mined with a large dredge. This obliterated the river, riparian vegetation, and floodplain and left mine tailings and dredge ponds along the valley floor. This had a devastating impact on fish habitat, and although it occurred over 60 years ago, the dredging continues to limit the ability of the Yankee Fork to support fish. For the last several years, the Yankee Fork Interdisciplinary Team has been developing and implementing restoration projects to improve fish habitat in the dredged area. The first of these, which was implemented in 2012, was the Yankee Fork Pond Series 3 project. This project sought to improve fish habitat by restoring an area impacted by the dredging to a more natural condition. This involved eliminating the mine tailings and dredge ponds and replacing them with a natural floodplain and side channel. Prior to implementation, managers established a series of photopoints to help monitor the effectiveness of the project. These photopoints have been rephotographed every year since the project was implemented, and the images show the substantial changes that have occurred as a result of the work. This video features the pictures from 3 of these photo points.